Welcome to this focus news analysis detailing the NSE and BSE market crash on March 30th, 2026. Here are the key news points covered in this video. 1. The precise closing levels and losses from the March 30th crash. 2. Weekend events of March 28th and 29th that sparked the sell-off. 3. Specific causes like the Iran war escalation, crude oil price jump to $108 per barrel, rupee fall to 94.25, gold rise to 1,49,600 rupees, and bond yield pressures. 4. Sectoral declines including Nifty Bank down 3.82%, Nifty Financial Services down 3.1%, and others. 5. Investor flows with foreign institutional investors selling 1.14 lakh crore rupees and domestic institutional investors buying 1.28 lakh crore rupees. 6. India Volatility Index spike of 15% to 22 levels. 7. Upcoming session cues with markets closed March 31st for Mahavir Jayanti and Gift Nifty down 1.41%. 8. Financial year 2026-27 first week range forecast of 22,000 to 23,200. On March 30th, 2026, the Nifty 50 closed at 22,331.40, down 488 points or 2.14%. The Sensex settled at 71,947.55, falling 1,636 points or 2.22%. Market capitalization dropped over 9 lakh crore rupees to below 410 lakh crore rupees. National Stock Exchange recorded 570 advances against 2,762 declines. Over the March 28th and 29th weekend, United States and Israeli strikes hit Tehran power grid on day 31 of the Iran conflict, causing blackouts. Death toll exceeded 2,000 since late February. President Donald Trump signaled negotiations but targeted Iranian oil fields per Central Command updates. Iranian missile and drone responses continued at lower intensity. Crude oil reached $108 per barrel on March 30th, up from $98 midweek due to West Asia tensions. United States dollar versus Indian rupee closed at 94.25, intraday high 95.20. Gold on multi-commodity exchange hit 1,49,600 rupees, up 0.97%. Reserve Bank of India earlier added 1 lakh crore rupees via bonds in early March. No new Securities and Exchange Board of India or Reserve Bank of India announcements on March 28th to 30th. Nifty Bank fell 3.82% with HDFC Bank down 4.2% and ICICI Bank down 3.8%. Nifty Financial Services dropped 3.1%. Bajaj Finance down 5.1%. Nifty Public Sector Undertaking Bank declined 3.6%. State Bank of India down 4.5%. Bank of Baroda down 4.2%. Nifty Auto down 2.8%. Tata Motors down 3.9%, Mahindra and Mahindra down 3.2%, Nifty Metal up 0.4%, Hindalco up 1.2%, Nifty Information Technology down 1.9%, Infosys down 2.3%, Tata Consultancy Services down 1.8%, mid-caps and small-caps down 2.5 to 2.7%. Foreign institutional investors sold 1.14 lakh crore rupees in March. Domestic institutional investors bought 1.28 lakh crore rupees. India Volatility Index rose 15% to 22. Markets closed March 31st for Mahavir Jayanti, possible Good Friday April 2nd. Gift Nifty at 22,448, down 1.41% late March 30th. Iran war de-escalation watch, oil cap at $110 or rise to $120. Rupee test at 95.50. Financial year 2026-27 first week April 1st to 5th faces holidays, 2 to 3 sessions. Nifty range 22,000 to 23,200 versus prior year close near 24,000. down 5 to 7% year-to-date. Domestic institutional investor inflows 15 to 20,000 crore rupees monthly.